few weeks ago, I got to spend some time with my soon-to-be 3-year-old nephew while on vacation. And while on this trip, I got to take my old Cricut maker to with me because I am gifting it to my mother because I have a brand new Cricut Maker 4, which I'm very excited about. Part of what was really fun about this trip was not only getting to spend time with my sister-in-law and my nephew, but I also got to show my mom how to use the Cricut Maker. And so one of the things that we did was, while on vacation, was make a birthday banner for my nephew for his upcoming birthday. And as a part of that, I was able to show my mom and my sister-in-law how I create banners. This is the t-shirt that I made because that I'm going to be sending him for his birthday because they already have the banner with them. My sister-in-law took it home so that they have it for his party in a few weeks, and it was a lot of fun. And I'd like to show you a little bit of the behind the scenes of getting to make this banner with my sister-in-law and my mom, and showing them about how to assemble it. One of the things that I really like to do when I design banners is I like the letter portions of my banners to be simple layering, so you don't have to find the middle of the O or the middle of the B, like the little missing parts. I keep everything together, so all you need to do is line up the holes of the banner and assemble everything together. You can use a glue stick or a tape runner or whatever it is that works best for you to assemble the banner, and then string it up. This particular banner has a race car and it's a little bit more detailed, so I do show you how I assembled that. And I even left some of the audio in. I will say I used the enhanced audio to clean up the audio because we had almost 3-year-old running around and a dog and some other things going on. So I wanted to make sure that you could hear what we were saying. And I just showed you a little bit of the clips of us assembling the banner, and zoomed in and showed more of my hands on the more detailed aspects of the car itself. I think this banner turned out a lot of fun, and I hope you enjoy it.
But you know what we're making? We're putting together the banner for the birthday next month.
Oh, me.
Oh, you. So what letter does your name start with?
Like a bee.
The letter is that. What letter is that? Letter. B. What sound does B make? All right. So see how you don't have to worry about the middle parts? That's why I do it that way. Smart. So crafty, if you would. I know, right? So I'm gonna use that one. I'll just flip it over, put it on the back, and then all you need to do is line up the holes. Okay. Then press it down. Room in for us. Okay. On that. And this way you get to say that you okay. That's what you do. Maybe it'll be a real. How many times did it take me to come back to my letters? Too bad I don't have a cameraman panning that you can see the big chase a kid. And all right, here's a B and a T. There we go. We're gonna string it together, and I'm gonna put this one together, but I'm gonna change the camera so I'm videoing my hands doing it. And I love it. Put it all together. That's gonna look great. All right, just turn and smile at the camera.
I like to start by spreading out my pieces. Making sure that I've got everything I need. And for this one, I used a gray base. So the gray is the bottom one. And we're going to layer the black layer over top of it. You can use whatever adhesives you like. I had an assortment of glue sticks and glue pens and a tape runner, and I just keep it all handy just in case. This glue stick pen is good for some of the smaller, thinner areas. I use the two-way glue when I need to for the little tiny areas. And then just layer it together, lining up your edges and the holes. Next, I add the white outline layer. And the two-way glue is good for this really thin area. And I'll outline everything the whole way around. And then line this up against the edges. The two-way glue is nice because it gives you time to shift it a little bit also. Next up is the body of the car. We chose orange for our car. I'm going to use the glue stick here. And it lines up in the middle of the white outline. The handle of the car is cut out so the gray layer from the base shows through. And you can see that then there are first I added a little bit more glue in a couple spots that needed it. And you can see the window and the lights and have cut out spots where you can drop these pieces in. Since my nephew's going to be 3, we've decided to put a 3 on the car. And again, the two-way glue worked really well here. I was really wishing that I had brought tweezers with me. But we made it work. As you can see, I had a lot of fun assembling the banner with my mom and my sister-in-law, and even with my sweet nephew running around as well. I'm very excited they live several states away from me, so I won't be at the birthday party, but I'm excited that I was able to contribute this part of his, in celebrating his birthday. And I hope you will give a banner like this a try. I will leave a link to the product if it's something you're interested in. And the way I've designed this is it's the complete alphabet as well as the numbers, so you can customize the wording of the banner to be whatever it is that you like. It does include the flags and the car, as well as all the letters and the numbers. So it's a complete banner, customizable for your needs.
Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you don't miss the next project. Want even more crafty fun? Head over to HarperNCo, where you can sign up to get 5 days of free downloads. It's my treat to you.